Hi, I have a Worcester Highfflow 440 CDI. The condensate pump became faulty and started leaking. An engineer replaced it but became puzzled that a D5 fault code would not go away. Having talked to Worcester Tech Department, he decided a new PCB was required. I'm no plumber, but an answer I found on the internet is that the D5 is not a fault code, but an indicator that the boiler needs servicing based on the number of burner hours. The boiler has not been serviced for about 2 years. Is this right, or does it indeed need a new PCB? Many thanks if you can help.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
A week now and 2 heating engineer visits.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Certainly not. I want the guy to do it, especially as it is snowing and we have no heating.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Can't think of anything else.
D5 is a strange error. It can be a couple of things. I would get the boiler serviced correctly and see if it cures this before spending money on parts. Let me know how you get on.
Thanks. Advice in order to avoid an escalating parts bill. The suggestion I had off the internet that D5 was not a fault code, but a service reminder, prompted a long telephone conversation between the engineer and Worcester/Bosch, who said that was true for some models but not my one. They advised the engineer to check the wiring between the PCB and the condensate pump, and he found a wiring error which, when fixed, allowed the boiler to work perfectly. Now got the problem of trying to dry out the water which has collected underneath the laminate flooring and the plastic cushioning between the wood and concrete. Fan heater doesn't seem to work.
That good then. You may have to lift the laminate flooring to get the water out to enable it to dry, as it will not evaporate through the sealed top surface.
I think I will have to lift the flooring. Even the bits I have levered up to create an air gap have not dried with a fan heater on them. The plastic underlay seems to retain water despite best drying efforts.
It will do. It is there partly to prevent any water rising into the flooring, as if it is made of MDF it will soak it up like a sponge.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.